How to unlink Microsoft account from Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can unlink your Microsoft account from Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, you'll need to open up your settings. So search for your settings on your Windows and then open it up. After you're on your Windows, on the left sidebar, you'll find different options. You'll need to head over to Accounts option. Tap on Accounts. After you're on Accounts, scroll down and you'll find this section called Account Settings. You'll need to head over to Your Info. And after you're on Your Info, you will need to then search for this option that says Your Account Settings, sign in with a local account instead. Tap on this. Then you will need to just read this, and after you read this, you'll then need to follow the prompts. After you follow the prompts, you'll have unlinked your Microsoft account from your Windows device. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. If you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.